Will we ever know who killed Don and Antonio Armstrong 6 years ago?
That question still remains after a second mistrial was declared today in the AJ Armstrong case. The jury just could not come to an agreement.
The fact that the jury has deliberated currently at 17 hours and 58 minutes, and based on the fact that the court has read the Allen charge, the court on its own motion at this time is declaring a mistrial.
ABC 13's Courtney Fisher has been following this case since day one. And Courtney, will this case in fact head to trial for a third time?
You know, there's already talk about that, Gina. The court has already slated February for a possible date of a third trial in the AJ Armstrong capital murder case. But right now it's really up to the prosecutors. And so they're going to go back and talk about it, decide whether or not they feel the need to try this case a third time. We should know more about that in about a month. And of course, we'll keep you posted as we have every step of the way in this case for the past 6 years. I want to bring you inside the courtroom and show you a little bit about what we saw as the judge declared that mistrial. For the first time, really, it was very quiet in there. No emotion from AJ. At one point, we saw his attorney, Rick Tototo, put his hand on AJ's shoulder, later telling us he told AJ, "We will continue fighting for you every step of the way." We also now know the split of the jury. 4 believed he was guilty, 8 believed he was not guilty. And this is very rare, guys. We got to talk to some of those jurors. Some of those jurors felt so strong and passionate about what they would have made the verdict to be, and they felt strongly he was guilty. So 3 of those people were alternates. 1 was on the jury. Again, 4 of them believed he was guilty. Take a listen.
So it just got to the point where I couldn't even talk anymore. Everyone kind of had their mind made up, but it was very frustrating to hear everyone say, and I mean everyone say, we know he's not innocent, but we still have doubt.
And so you saw there, she didn't want to show her face. Those jurors were so emotional. They said it was so hard to be in deliberations over 3 days, sequestered, sleeping away from their families. They didn't have access to their cell phones, no TVs in their hotel rooms. And they came back today, the third day after 18 hours. And you heard the judge, they just could not agree. Those 4 jurors who talked with us felt strongly that AJ Armstrong was guilty. But of course, this ended in a mistrial yet again. We'll keep you posted on what happens next. For now, reporting live from the courthouse, Courtney Fisher, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.